What's up, guys? I've tried so many times for this video. So I'm playing Microsoft Flight Simulator, trying to land a A310, or not land. I'm taking off in the A310, just kind of going around Microsoft Flight Simulator, and never know. Right now I'm just looking around, and I'm about to take off, actually. That was my other attempt that said game clip uploaded. Okay, I'm ready to play. Auto brake. Engine one. Stop. I don't know why it's beeping like that for some reason. Shouldn't be beeping, but just randomly is. Last time I flight the A310, I crashed it, if you saw my latest video. And that was my other attempt. Shoot. This plane had a lot of crashes. Or, I think. No, it didn't have a lot of crashes. Well, I don't know, actually. I don't really study much about this plane. I just fly a lot. But I've crashed this plane a lot. So I do know I have a lot of... Oh, shoot. I'm stalling here. And I'm just pretty much flying here.
Los Angeles Tower Airbus A310 frequency change. Los Angeles Tower Airbus A310
I'm stalling here. That's pretty much it for this video. I'm still trying to fly this, but bye, guys. If you guys have made it this far into the video, make sure to press that like button and subscribe, and also comment down below the word plane.